I'm in a village on the border of Kenya and Ethiopia. And looking back over my years with CBM, I would say this has been one of the most difficult days. I've seen village after village that has suffered the devastating effects of the drought. Families that are going through difficulties and hardship and lack of food. And I find that difficult in the age that we are living in, that families would have food shortages and would really be malnourished. I also am struggling with the level of disability that we found, and because of the challenges that children like Aidan still need to receive support and services for their disability, and that we have not been able to reach all the children with disabilities and to be able to help them so far. I am struggling with Amina and with the story of Amina, a beautiful deaf girl that we met earlier, who is living almost a life of quietness and isolation because she is deaf and she cannot communicate with the rest of the community. In a time of drought and crisis, these people are affected even much more than the community that we've seen. Very, very vulnerable situation, very vulnerable families. And I just trust that God will help us to bring help where it is most needed, to bring service, to bring relief to many people who are needlessly suffering from food shortage in a time of crisis, and from that lack of support and lack of service when it comes to issues to do with disability.